Let's settle this. Why are yawns contagious? You see someone yawn and suddenly you feel it too. It's like a ripple effect, isn't it? But why does this happen? Scientists believe it's linked to empathy. When we see someone yawn, our brain mirrors that action. It's a social bonding thing, a way to connect with others. Yawning might also help regulate our brain temperature. So, next time you yawn, remember, it's not just you, it's a little reminder of our shared humanity. What do you think? Comment below if you just yawned.